Good morning. Today we are going to discuss the chartered paper, which is in the strategic level, corporate taxation paper, 2024 June paper. In there, you can see a question, particular question based on a common pre-scene analysis for a 30 marks. If I'm not mistaken, it's for 30 marks. Assess the balance income tax payable or the refund due if any, by QEP for the year of assessment 2023-2024. So you can see there is a number of adjustments there. So firstly, we need to read the question based on the common pre-scene in addition to the information provided in the common pre-scene in relation to the quick each PLC. QEP, hereafter referred as QEP, the following additional information in relation to the company year ended 31st March 2024 also made available. The detailed unaudited income statement. You can see revenue, direct cost, after that gross profit, other income, sale and marketing, administrative, other expenses, profit from operations, finance income and finance cost, change in the fair value of the investment property, profit before tax, income tax and profit for the year. Other income, the composition of other income, how this 125 million derived is given there. And you can see certain expenses under the direct cost. Administrative, selling and marketing expenses are given, finance income is given, finance cost is given, so rental income given, dividend income, net advance income tax. So we know that dividend is subject to a final withholding payment, withholding tax. A detail of asset acquired is given. Rental income represent the gross income received. Renting out property to subsidiaries. This is categorized under investment properties in the financial statement. Rental income received has been subject to withholding tax. We know it is 10%. Uh, Intangible asset use, if it is an intangible asset with undefinite useful life, we know 20 years capital allowances can be claimed. If it is a finite useful lifetime, the actual year need to be taken. Right? Disposal is there, ROU asset, actual lease rental paid, it's given. Improvement expenses, so new repair and improvement, no any double deduction is available now. License fees, it is a service. Gratuity made, it can be deducted because the provision amount you not to add back, and the payment made in terms of cash can be deducted. Not can be, it's actually can be deducted. Foreign expense include personal visit of directors. This is a domestic expenditure. In that case, it is not relevant to the production of income or the only official purpose you want to add back here. Gross income is it. Yeah. So we need to start. So you know the profit before tax. Profit before tax, we are starting from profit before tax. एकदाच तुमचे had एक million. So I think this Excel you can visible profit before tax. Thus तुमचे had taken depreciation and amortization. You want to disallow because accounting depreciation are not allowed in the taxation. So here you can see depreciation and amortization. So last within the here you want to add back. Again, uh, amortization of the ROU asset you want to add back. Interest on ROU asset. Interest. Those are not allowed, no? You want to add back. Improvements, add back. Repair and maintenance, investment property. Improvements, you want to add back, right? License fees, it is allowed because those are essential. Provision for retirement benefit, you can see here, I show that something provision for retirement benefit you want to add back. That is not allowed. Thus, as it is bad write-off can be deducted because the recovery action taken in the common pre-scene as per that the professional fee is not allowed, withholding tax is not deducted. Tundas haisiya, atalis hayai. Here the ROU asset lease liability represent SLFRS adjustment during the new property lease out. In addition to the ROU asset, the actual lease rental paid are the satisfied. Actual rent payment we can deduct. You can see. Yeah, so we discussed we starting from net profit before tax, depreciation, amortization you want to add back, license fees allowed, so that you know that provision for retirement benefit you want to add back. Here provision for retirement benefit is not allowed, and cash paid provision, so the retirement benefits allowed. I think something like here make gratuity paid, visit Banda size it is quite is allowed, right? So you can see. mm, bad debt allowed, right? Recovery action taken, it's allowed, it's normal. Provision for doubtful debt, not allowed. Here something I saw that like that. Provision for retirement benefit, bad and doubtful debt. Tunda Sekasiya Suwai. It represent in here something there. Uh, interest in loans, OD, interest in ROU liability, interest in ROU asset, it's not allowed. You want to add back here. Detas tunche panai finance cost, interest on loan, interest overdraft, exchange loss, net. So the unrealized exchange loss you want to add back under the later on we can discuss. Interest on loans it is allowed because need to be there. Interest on loans it's allowed, right? The interest on loans, overdraft, exchange loss, it is allowed. Exchange loss allowed, right? Bank charges, it is allowed. And interest on ROU lease liability, it is not allowed. Interest on ROU lease liability, that's on Sipana you want to add back, right? Here, improvements, later on we can discuss. Uh, Commission paid to drivers allowed, incentive salaries allowed, IT service system maintenance license fees, it is allowed, right? Provision for retirement benefit not allowed. Doubtful debt, professional fees not allowed because withholding tax is not deducted. Actual lease rental paid are the Sarasi Panahai that is allowed. Are the Sarasi Panahai here I saw that. It's a big Adugara. Right. Ardas number C was incurred for the improvement means major modification purchased during the year of assessment. Ardas number C are not allowed no. License fees include payment made for suppliers. Disallowed license fees. It only paid. Gratuity payment, bad and doubtful debt include bad write-off, it is allowed. Adequate recovery action taken, no, it is can be write off the balance amount. Provision made for exceeding period, doubtful debt. It means මෙතන 1720ක් අඩු කරන්න ඕනේ. 7635න් 1720ක් අඩු කරනවා. 7635න් 1720ක් අඩු කරනවා. ඒ කියන්නේ 5915. Allowed. Bad. Balance amount represents the provision. Professional fees, independent lawyer to debt recovery case. The withholding tax is not deducted. Liable. Professional fees you want to add back. Professional fees. 1646. Yeah. Improvement. Later on we can discuss, right? අපි පොට බලමු. Profit CSR expense, Ministry of Health, it is not allowed because it's a qualifying payment. Later on we can deduct CSR. You want to add back CSR. We go ahead and put the CSR 7,000 you want to add back. It's not a part of the business income, not production. Digital marketing expenses, sales promotion allowed. Fine and penalties not allowed. You can't deduct. Fine and penalties add back. You want to add back. Legal fees you want to add back. Here digital marketing expense include a ex-gratia payment. Ex-gratia කියන්නේ කැමැත්තෙන් දෙන එක. Ex-gratia payment 5600 really retired marketing director not habit එකට දාලා නැහැ. එහෙනම් 5600 not allowed. You want to add back. Here digital marketing expense sales promotion incurred in the production of income. So you can sales promotion allowed in the production of income, no? Allow. Fine and penalties, revenue, no. Legal fees represent payment, stamp duty, uh, legal fees represent the payments made to stamp duty to purchase of a land of the building. Stamp duty you not allowed. Capital nature if you made enough only. අන්දාසකසි ඇත්තම you want to add back. දැක්කද capital nature. Stamp duty ගෙවපු එක. Business conference expense you want to add back because those are entertainment nature. Business conference. Here කොහේ හරි ඇති එක ඉන්න බලන්න. Epic sale promotion fine legal fees we add back. An amount tobacco, this is including business conference, you want to add back. Responsive pana දැක්කද පට්ටලේසි. Responsive pana add back to the personal benefit domestic internet and telephone expenses incurred in the purchase of some communication equipment amount. It can be used for 5 years. Capital nature other responsive pana you want to add back. Disallowed. Add to capital allowances. Mad enough. Internet and telephone. It's not expensive even. Okay. Research and development continuously increases speed of IT system experience with the business research and development. No double deductions is allowed, right? It's okay. Research and development. Foreign travel expense, personal visit, disasters you want to add back. Foreign travel, domestic nature, you want to add back, my dear students, because it is not for the production of income, no. It is not for the official purpose for personal interest income, represent gross income. Loans and overdraft have been obtained for the use of production income no more within the 4 times of this is a thin capitalization rule. Here you add back loans and overdraft. Direct income. Investment property. Improvements. Improvement. Hardest number was incurred, but the improvement which can be a major modification that was purchased. Improvement Haradas number CI. Haradas number CI, improvement expense. Just wait. Improvements. Repair and maintenance. Commission insurance salaries. Script and telephone. Research and development. For internal repair and improvements. Haradas I see at the pie. Haradas I see. Amount එක ආවේ කොහොමද කියලා මට තේරෙන්නේ නැහැ. License fees, gratuity, bad debt. Here you can see improvements, note 4. Here you can see note 4. Here expense 4900යි. As in P&L 4900යි repair. 4900 cost incurred, right? Expense එක. Written down value. Cost එක 15500ට ගත්ත එක. Depreciation allowed for the claim years it is divided by 5 because it is thus that's 300යි. Written down value. Deduction repair expenses restricted withholding tax just 340යි. Reduction of repair expenses because it is for the ඒකේ repair එක අපිට අඩු කරන්න පුළුවන් 20ක් financially ඒකට. ඒ කියන්නේ 40ක් amount is allowed to add back 3660යි. අන්න එහෙම තමයි මෙන්න මේක ඇවිල්ලා තියෙන්නේ 3660යි. Right. You want to unrealize gain, you removed. Right. Realize lost allowed. 13500යි. The capital allowances you can see here how to claim. Easy, right? Easy stuff. Land no capital allowances. Building 44,400 බෙදීම 5. Sorry 20. 20 මේ amount එක. ඊට පස්සේ furniture 5 years, office 5 years, motor vehicles 5 years, computer and technological improvements it is 4 years. Me 4 years. Intangible asset net. It is 5 years. Computer and technological equipment. Intangible asset it is 4 years. 4. The company purchase motor vehicle 50ක් මිලියන. එතකොට මෙතන motor vehicles කියනවා. එතකොට මෙතන එන්නේ ළමයි it is a road vehicle cannot be claimed 32000යි 32000ට තමයි 105ක් වගේ 5ක් බලන්න දැක්කද මේක හරි මේක හරි මේක හරි මේ සෙට් එකම හරි communication XED depreciation allowance you dispose few office equipment computers sale right එතකොට ඒ ටික හරිනේ depreciation allowance for the asset purchase previously intangible asset depreciation allowance disposed මේ තියෙන්නේ office equipment it is 5 years again 6500 විදීම 5 6500යි down value එක දැස් 20නේ 20 21 20 20 21 22 22 23 3 years 6500 විදීම 3900 එතකොට 3900ක් ක්ලේම් කරගත්තා මේ තියෙන්නේ 6500 3900ක් ඉවර 2600යි here you can see office equipment cost එක තියෙනවා written down value එක තියෙනවා ඊට පස්සේ office computer නා it is 5 years 6700යි 19 20 21 21 22 23 4 years එතකොට 6700 බෙදීම 5 වැඩි කිරීම 4 ඒ කියන්නේ 5630යි 6,700 5,300ට අගට 1,340 ඉතුරු වෙන්නේ. හරිද? මේ 1,340 ඉතුරු වෙන්නේ. ඉතුරු ටික එනවා 2,190ක් ලොස් එකක් තියෙනවා. ඇක්සෙසබල් චාර්ජ් නෙමෙයි බැලන්සිං ඇලවන්ස් එකක් තියෙනවා. Balancing allowance can be deducted, right? So capital allowance ටිකත් අපිට deduct කරන්න පුළුවන්. මතකයිනේ මෙන්න මේ table එක refer කරලා මම exam answer එක දාන්නම්. ඉතින් 3,80,275. ඒක හරි. මේකේ rent income investment income වල තියෙන වැරදිනේ investment income you want to deduct. other income එකේ තියෙනවා කියලා මේ තියෙනවා rent income deducted. Sorry. Dividend income, it is a final withholding payment, you want to deduct it. 77,500. ඒක තේරෙනවනේ. And the dividend income, it is deducted. So you want to see profit from sale of fixed asset, you want to deduct it. That's a 750. If you made enough only, you add back. This is not a part of the business income. Fair value gain disposed. So exchange, you want to deduct it. That's a 750. Those are not a part of the business income. මේක කොහොමද ගත්තේ? Rent income schedule 2. මෙහෙමනේ. 15යි rent income 43,000යි. විතර කොයි හරි තිබ්බා. මේ rental income represent has been subject to withholding tax. විතර කො 40. විතර අපේ gross amount එක තමයි දාන්න ඕනේ. Rent income. After deducting expenses, rent income 43,000ක් තියෙනවා rent income එක. මේ rent income එක earn කරන්න අපි expense දැරුවා මේ. ඔය හරි මේ ගානේ කිව්වා ඒක. rent income එක අඩු කරන්න පුළුවන් expenses. Improvements expense. Rental income. Gross income. It represent the gross income it total එක තියෙන්නේ. ROS. License, gratuity, bad provision, CSR, digital sales, fines, legal amount, liquor, tobacco, research and development. Investment 4,675ක් මේ තියෙන්නේ. Minor repairs. ඉතුරු එක තමයි අපිට අඩු කරන්න පුළුවන්. 28,325. Can you see? Done. Cool, right? Interest income, you know, to can't. Interest income represent gross income received, right? Interest income here you can see interest income. work you want to add back. Sorry, deduct, not add back. Interest income, finance income, exchange loss, unrealized exchange gain. You want to deduct. Fair value gain of 5p. Here, I'm going to deduct. Behind it. Yeah, millions. Fair value gain. Deduct. ඒ ටිකනේ තියෙන්නේ මේ මෙතන unrealized research and deduct double deductions නේද concession එක ඉවරයි. එතකොට අපි මේක ඩිස්කස් කරා business income එක හරියට. එතකොට මේ ටික add back කරලා ඔක්කොම આવත් මේකේ investment income, rent income මේ ගාව maintenance expense අඩු කරන්න පුළුවන්. එතකොට එන උත්තරේ තමයි මෙතන අයින් කරේ. dividend income withhold repayment කියලා interest income 1290යි. හරිනේ. මේ කියන්නේ හරි. all right. done. මෙතන අපිට මෙන්න මේක පෙන්නන්න බැරි වෙනවා. unrealized exchange gain. Wait, I will show. Here you can see the 2350යි. Within unrealized gain, it is removed. Realized loss allowed. Unrealized gain add කරලා තියෙන්නේ. එහෙනම් අයින් කරනවා. 1350 realized loss එක ආයේ අඩු කරනවා 12588. investment income section එකේ rent income, dividend, interest. 1290යි 38යි සෙක්ට් එක මෙතනට එනවා. තියෙන investment සෙක්ට් එක නම් business income එකක් නැහැ, loss එකක් තියෙන්නේ, accessible income, qualifying payments මේ සෙට් එක තමයි answer එක. office equipment අපි මේක හරි මේ මම මේක බලන්නම් පොඩ්ඩක් unrealized gain or loss එක. okay thanks bye.